Hey Matthew, here's how you find your band book in Smart Music. You, so it should work now. That little ding means that you're trying it again. So in Smart Music, I'm going to go in. I logged myself in as a student, so my screen is what your screen should look like. To get to this screen, you just click on the left-hand corner where it says Smart Music, and you'll get the screen. So here's what you do. Where it says find music over here, you type in essential elements book 2. And then what it's going to do is going to give you these choices. You want to select essential elements 2000 for band book 2. It's the second choice. And then it'll load your details. Mine's being slow. There it is. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click where it says open. And the first instrument that it chooses for you is flute. And then where it says movement, that's where you're going to click your drop down. And you're going to find the song that you're looking for. So in this case, we are looking for that 2/4 Yankee Doodle. Here it is, number 34. So you're going to tap on it and then click open. And it's going to load. And now you can read your music. And here's some cool features just for fun. You can adjust your tempo and make it go faster or slower. You can click play and you can listen to what it sounds like. It'll count you off. So you can listen to it, you can adjust your metronome, you can put in a nifty little accompaniment, so it's like karaoke flute. You can adjust your tempo. There's a bunch of different things that you can do. There's even a tuner in here, so you can tune your flute to see if it's in tune, which is pretty sweet. So that's how you get to the band book stuff on Smart Music. If you get stuck, let me know.